Okay, today is Saxon Math Lesson 44, How to Find a Missing Digit in an Addition Problem. So I'm going to start out with simpler problems and we'll get harder as it goes. Let's pretend this little blob is the missing number. Okay, so we need to remember the ones and tens, okay? We add the ones together first. 0 plus 2 equals 2. And 20 plus something equals 80. Because 80 plus 2 equals 82, right? So we have to think, what plus 2 equals 8? 6. Which is really 20 plus 60 equals 80. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. Trying to keep that glare out of there. That's why I tilt it. Remember, you can pause and rewind me at any time. So with these boards, they need a lot of cleaner to keep them clean. So I'll do my best. Okay, so let's try 23 plus 40 something equals 63. Well, we know that 20 and 40 make 60, and 3 and something make, and we're trying to get here, right, to 3. So, what plus 3 equals 3? 0. That has to be a 0 in there. 23 plus 40 equals 63. Okay, let's keep going. How about something that ends in a 7 plus 10 equals 75? I'm sorry, 77. Okay, so let's do the ones first. 7 plus 0 is 7. We're going to add that to whatever this is, and that's really a 10, so what plus 10 equals 70? Or what plus 1 equals 7? 6, right? 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 7 is 77. Okay. Let's try another one here. 30 plus something that ends in a 5 equals 75. Do the ones first. 0 and 5 make 5, so that matches that. 30 plus something equals 70. We need something to equal 70. Well, what plus 3 equals 7? 4. So 30 and 40 make 70, and 0 and 5 make 5. Add those two together, and you get 75. So it's important to break them down, add the ones, add the tens, see what you get. You can check it. About 43 plus 20 something equals 70. Okay, this is where it gets a little trickier. I'm going to use some different colors to kind of show which one goes with which one. All right, so we start with the ones. 3, oh, this isn't working right now. Okay, let's go to red. 3 and something need to equal 0. And 40 and 20, we know that equals 60, but I'm trying to get here to 70. So this number actually has to equal 10. So when I add 3 to something, what equals 10? Or what? 3 plus what equals 10? Well, we know 7 does. So 3 and 7 make 10, and 40 and 20 make 60. So 60 plus 10 equals 70. So when you know the biggest digit you can have in any place value, right? We have the ones, the tens, the hundreds. The biggest number you could have in any one of these is a 9. So when they add up to more than 9, like these two did, I can't put a 10 here, can I? I have to put the 0 there and carry that other 10 over to here, okay, which gives me another 10. So in this case, it went from 60 tens to 70 tens because I added this 10 from these two being added together. I know it gets tricky, but we're going to keep practicing it. Let's try 40. I'm sorry, what did I just say? Let's try a new one here. 47 plus 3 or something equals 81. Okay, let's start with the ones. 7 and something has to equal something that ends in a 1. Now, here's what I would do if I were you from now on. You've got your 7 and your smudge. They have to equal whatever this number is here. Write it down and put a 1 on this side of it. Because that's really what you're trying to get these two to add up to. Then you say 40 and 30 make 70. So I know that's 70, and this has to equal 11. What plus 7 equals 11? 4 does. So 7 plus 4 is 11. That's my 1 right there. This is really a 10 that I carried over and added to the 70 to make 81. Okay. I'm going to stop there and I'm going to do another Part B video that will give us more practice.